Good morning, children. I hope you all are very fine. Today's subject is social science. Children, we have already learnt about the lesson of safety. In that lesson, we discussed about the reasons for the danger and we have understood the safety measures to avoid accident, etc. Now we are going to see the book back exercises. First, choose the correct answer from the bracket. Number 1, if touched, it will be hot. If left, it will burn. What is it? If touched, it will be hot. If left, it will burn. What is it? The options are fire, water, electricity, snake and traffic light. Children, which of these 5 things will be hot if we touch it? Yes, the fire will be hot. If we touch the fire, it will be hot. So the answer is fire. F-I-R-E, fire. If touched, it will be hot. If left, it will burn. What is it? Fire. Number 2. I use it every day. I see it during rainy day. What is it? I use it every day. I see it during rainy day. What is it? Which means we are using it every day and also we can see it during rain. Here we are using the 3 things every day. We are using the fire every day. We are using the water every day. And we are using the electricity also every day. But in these 3 things, which one we can see during rain? Yes, we can see the water during rain. So the answer is water. W-A-T-E-R, water. I use it every day. I see it during rainy day. What is it? Water. Number 3. I spread through lines, but I am not a climber. I help to glow the bulbs. Who am I? I spread through lines, but I am not a climber. I help to glow the bulbs. Who am I? Now, we have only 3 options. Electricity, snake and traffic light. In these 3 things, which one will help to glow the bulbs? Yes, electricity. The electricity spread through lines and it will help the bulbs to glow. So the answer is electricity. E-L-E-C-T-R-I-C-I-T-Y, electricity. I spread through lines, but I am not a climber. I help to glow the bulbs. Who am I? Electricity. Number 4. He doesn't have legs, who slithers and wanders in jungles. Who is he? He doesn't have legs, who slithers and wanders in jungles. Who is he? Can you guess it, children? Yes, it is snake. It has no legs and it will slithers and wanders in jungles. So the answer is snake. S-N-A-K-E. Snake. He doesn't have legs, who slithers and wanders in jungles. Who is he? Snake. Number 5. The one who stands on the road and guides us as 3 eyes of 3 colors. Who is he? The one who stands on the road and guides us as 3 eyes of 3 colors. Who is he? Yes, traffic light. The traffic light has 3 eyes of 3 colors: red, yellow and green. So the answer is traffic light. T-R-A-F-F-I-C. Traffic light. L-I-G-H-T. Light. Traffic light. The one who stands on the road and guides us as 3 eyes of 3 colors. Who is he? Traffic light. Next, true or false. Number 1. We shouldn't play in the kitchen. Children, is it correct to play in the kitchen? No, it's not correct to play in the kitchen. So, we shouldn't play in the kitchen is true. Number 2. We can go to the deep part of the river to bath. We can go to the deep part of the river to bath. Children, whenever we take bath in river, we should go with elders. Only if we know to swim, we should go for a bath in river. At the same time, we should not go to the deep part of the river to bath. So the answer is false. Number 3. Never touch the electrical appliances with wet hand. Never touch the electrical appliances with wet hand. Children, is it correct to touch the electrical appliances with wet hand? No, we should not touch it because it is very dangerous. So the answer is true. Never touch the electrical appliances with wet hand. The answer is true. Number 4. We should keep the house and surroundings clean. Number 4. We should keep the house and surroundings clean. Yes, it is good to keep the house and surroundings clean. So the answer is true. Number 5. We can play with glassware. Children, can we play with glassware? No, it's not safe for us. So we should not play with glassware. So the answer is false. Next, fill in the blanks. Number 1. We have to protect ourselves from dash. We have to protect ourselves from danger. D-A-N-G-E-R. Danger. We have to protect ourselves from danger. Number 2. When we catch fire, we should not dash. When we catch fire, we should not run. R-U-N, run. When we got fire, we should not run. Number 3. While traveling in water, we should wear dash. While traveling in water, we should wear life jacket. L-I-F-E, life. jacket, 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 life jacket. While traveling in water, we should wear life jacket. Number 4, we must obey the dash. We must obey the traffic rules. TRAFFIC, traffic rules. RULES, rules, traffic rules. We must obey the traffic rules. Number 5, pesticides are used to kill dash. Pesticides are used to kill insects. INSECTS, insects. Pesticides are used to kill insects. Children, in this lesson, we have already learnt 5 question answers. Now, we are going to revise those 5 question answers. Number 1. Write some factors that can cause accidents. Some factors that can cause accidents are urgency, carelessness, lack of awareness, indifference, violation of rules, lack of training, and not following safety measures. Number 2. What should we do if our clothes catch fire? If our clothes catch fire, we should not run. We should drop down and roll on the ground. Number 3. How should we protect ourselves from accidents caused by electricity? Do not touch switches, plugs, or electrical wires with wet hand. Do not play near electrical towers or transformers. Do not climb on electrical posts. Do not insert stick or any other objects into the switch boxes. Do not go near the wires or electrical posts during rain. Number 4. Where should we cross the road? We should cross the road only at the zebra crossing. We should cross the road only at the zebra crossing. Number 5. Mention the names of some toxic organisms. Snake, spider, wasp, and scorpion are some toxic organisms. Snake, spider, wasp, and scorpion are some toxic organisms. Children, write these answers in your textbook and learn it well. Thank you, children. Have a nice day.